You don't need a special chainsaw for carving wood, but that doesn't mean any chainsaw would allow you to get the best results. To get the best detailed carving results, you will require the best chainsaw for carving. That makes the job easier for you. Many professional carvers recommend having multiple chainsaws for carving wood, but with the right tool, you can get desired results with a single chainsaw. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 chainsaw for carving wood into art on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Husqvarna 120 Mark II Gas Chainsaw. Top of the list we have Husqvarna 120 Mark II Chainsaw. That can be considered an all-purpose chainsaw. It weighs around 12 pounds including all the cutting equipment and provides efficient performance for all kinds of tasks. For carving, most professionals prefer a 35cc gas chainsaw, but I personally liked Husqvarna 120 with a little added punch of power. You can easily handle the best Husqvarna chainsaw because of its lightweight design and low vibration technology. Hence, even beginners can easily handle this chainsaw and learn to carve it. The chainsaw starts easily and consumes less fuel compared to its competitors because of advanced air injection technology. A simple chain tensioning system allows you to make quick adjustments while working with the chainsaw. The best part is that you can replace the 16-inch bar size with 18 inches or 14-inch bar to meet your carving needs. I was able to perfectly carve a bear on a tree stump with this chainsaw, a precision chainsaw for detailing tasks. Number 2. Oregon CS 1500 Carving Chainsaw. For our runner-up pick, we have selected Oregon CS 1500 Corded Electric Chainsaw, which comes with a larger bar size and a much more affordable price. The only problem with a gas chainsaw is the noise and fumes that are unavoidable because of the nature of their power source. However, with an electric chainsaw, you don't have to worry about any of that. You get quiet operation, better efficiency, and instant start technology. The only reason this chainsaw is placed second on the list is that you will need a nearby power outlet for this chainsaw. If you have that covered, there is nothing else to worry about. The chainsaw comes fully assembled and can be used right out of the box. No assembly is required. I absolutely loved the Power Sharp self-sharpening technology, which is both exceptional and amazing. The chainsaw sharpens the chain itself in just 3 to 5 seconds. Number 3. Husqvarna 460 Rancher. The most powerful chainsaw on the list, with the longest bar size and maximum power for cutting wood. Only those who need maximum power should go for this chainsaw. While this chainsaw is not preferred for most carving needs, there are still some special woods and designs that will require masters of carving to have this chainsaw. Hence, I decided to get one for myself as well and test it out. An absolute monster with a beastly cutting performance. The chainsaw comes with excellent ergonomic and comfort features, which allows you to easily control and maneuver the chainsaw. Comfort is further enhanced by low vibration technology, which reduces the vibrations from the engine. Moreover, the tool is equipped with a quick-release air filter that can be instantly swapped out and changed when needed. Number 4. Makita XCU06Z Chainsaw. If you want higher cutting performance and improved efficiency of a gas chainsaw in a battery-powered one, then the best option is Makita XCU06Z. This chainsaw comes with advanced technological features that are designed to bring ease into your wood cutting and carving tasks. One of the most amazing features of this chainsaw is definitely the torque boost function. When you require a higher cutting speed, just press a button and you will enter turbo mode. The built-in lock-off feature prevents the chainsaw from accidentally starting when not in use. Also, the adjustable automatic bar and chain oil system keep the bar and chain lubricated at all times. The innovative design of the cheap chainsaw makes it extremely lightweight, which also means easier handling and maneuverability. But the battery and charger are not included with the chainsaw, so you will have to purchase them separately. Number 5. Dariel 62cc Gas Chainsaw. If you are looking for absolute power for the most budget-friendly price you can expect, then there is none better than Dariel 62cc Gas Chainsaw. You can use it to carve wood, cut wood, take down whole trees, and for a variety of construction applications. It is also considered one of the best gas chainsaws under $150. It has a large engine innovatively built to provide peak performance. The best part is that you don't even have to pull a cord to start it. It comes with a digital ignition system and a spark plug, so all you have to do is press a button and the chainsaw will start itself. It is a rare feature in a chainsaw, And you won't expect to find it in a chainsaw of such low cost. Adding to this, the high-quality fuel-saving carburetor saves fuel and ensures longer run time with less fuel consumption. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.